How to log in to Marcus by Goldman Sachs account online. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. So let's get started. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. Then you'll see the homepage by Marcus right here. You can tap on this. After you tap on this, it will take you to this page that is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Now all you have to do is tap on the login button on the top right. After you tap on login, it will then again redirect you to another page. While this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get back into it. Right here you can see the login page. All you have to now do is enter out your email address, then finally your password. Then you can tap on continue and you are then logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.